All right, we're at another install. This is for this 3-car garage right here. It's a 18,000 BTU Olmo mini split, and we put it in from scratch. It didn't have one before. So a customer wanted it on this side. It just fit. You see we're right on the edge of where that pipe is and right on the edge of the door. So it's pretty cool. 78 degrees in here. It's nice. Keeps everything nice, keeps the vehicles nice. Let's go take a look at the outside. So that's why we decided to mount it on that side wall, because we didn't want to have the condenser sitting over here or having a line set running over here. We decided to keep it over here because of all the other mechanicals. So we installed it on the wall using some stainless steel hanging brackets, because we are right here on the water. All stainless steel hardware. And just below the wall, and this thing makes virtually no noise when it's running. And it works like a charm. So we're on to the next one.